I'm breaking out, I'm breaking out, I'm breaking out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, wow. I won a contest at the Toys Unite. I actually won. That's the coolest thing I did. I didn't think I would win, but I did, so it's so cool. It's a contest for Epic Toys Unite. They for their 100 subscriber, not 100. I mean 500 subscribers, and there's. I didn't think I won. But, sorry, kind of a stuffy nose. I didn't think I would win, but I was I was really excited when I saw that I won, and I've been really anxious to find out. And I watched it, and I started getting really shaky because I was so nervous. Sure enough, what? And the phone thing, you can hook up the things and film. I kind of film with a big iPad. It'll be hard to hook up to that, but I'm sure I can figure out something I can do with it. And I get my very first Fashions. I've always wanted Fashions, and the only time I ever seen them is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Fashions. That's the only ones I've ever seen, which I do not want those because I'm a girl. But I'll get a Frozen Fashion and a My Little Pony one, which I've really been wanting a My Little Pony one. I never see them in stores, and I never looked up them online, but either way, I get my very first Fashions, and I'm so excited. And if it Toys Unite for watching this, I would definitely open them on film. I'd love to open everything on film, but yeah. And my dad will be home in a minute to figure this out, how to tell you address, but my address without anybody knowing, an email or something like that. I don't know, but I can't believe it. So, Epic Toys Unite, whenever you send it, stay tuned for that video when I open it, because I will open it on film. And yeah, bye for now. That was so funny. I'm saying my voice sounded funny.